The rain's the only thing that feels real tonight. As darkness creeps in, steals away all the light. I see you with someone, it cuts like a knife. In this moment we're nothing, just lost in the strife. You traded me in for a different embrace. I can't help but wonder who's taking my place. I like to confront them, to know where we stand, but the pain rushes in like a tide on the sand. I wouldn't recognize myself, all spots gone. Now that someone else has claimed what's been wrong. Everything's chaotic, should hate you for good. Missing the fire where the love once stood. It's something you'll never grasp, just can't understand. I see from the outside, oh, our hearts feel the land. Stuck in this corner where shadows take hold. Feels like I'm paralyzed, trapped in a mold. But sooner or later I must break away. Dare to find new colors within shades of gray. I wanna fly high, see who wears my crown. Wanna witness your world come crashing down. At twilight's whisper, I ache for your kiss. A bittersweet longing, a sense of what's missed. Caught in this turmoil, heart just can't cope. But the shadows remind me there's still some hope. I'll face the music, no matter how hard. I'll walk through the rain, my own beating heart. Turning the page, the ink on my skin. I'll learn how to love like I once did within. 'Cause I wouldn't recognize myself, all spots gone. Now that someone else has claimed what's been wrong. Everything's catered, should hate you for good. Missing the fire where our love once stood. It's something you'll never grasp, just can't understand. I see from the outside, oh, our hearts feel the land. In this shadowy corner, I'm learning to breathe, finding my rhythm, unchained to believe. Eyes may see clearly, but hearts will abide. Through the storms and the rain, I'll find my pride. I'll rise from the ashes, reclaim what is mine. In this dance with the shadows,